Question 22. There are only blue pens and red pens in a box. The number of blue pens is 4 times the number of red pens. So I'm going to write blue to red is in the ratio 4 to 1 because the blues are 4 lots as many as the reds. Rita takes at random 1 pen from the box. She records the colour of the pen and then replaces it in the box. This is quite important. Because she's replacing it, the probabilities won't be changing. They're going to stay the same every time. Rita does this n amount of times where n is greater than or equal to 2, so she's going to repeat this more than 2 times. Write down an expression in terms of n for the probability that Rita gets a blue pen at least once and a red pen at least once. What does it mean to get a blue pen at least once? Let's just imagine we only have 2 picks. We know we're going to have 2 or more, but we'll just imagine we have 2 picks. To get a blue pen at least once, you could have blue and red, you could have red and blue, or you could have blue and blue. But instead of working out all of these, you could just find red and do 1 minus that. And the same would apply to the red pen at least once. You could just do 1 minus blue. That's if it was 2 picks, but we don't know how many picks there are altogether. So we're going to have to use n for the amount of times that it's going to happen. We're doing 1 minus the probability of getting red an amount of times minus the probability of getting a blue an amount of times. Let's just work out the probability of getting red and blue. So red would be equal to, there's 1 out of 5 altogether. And for blue, it would be 4 out of 5 altogether. So we're doing 1 minus, for the probability of red, it's 1 over 5. And because we don't know how many times it's happening, we're going to raise it to the power of n. So this just means it's 1 over 5 times 1 over 5 times 1 over 5 times 1 over 5 repeatedly, but we don't know how many times it is. And I'm going to do the same thing with the blues. So it's minus 4 over 5 to the power of n. So it's the same as that one. And I can't simplify that, so I would just leave it like that.